it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little bit of a different video. It's still a wig video, but it's gonna be the most natural wig you're ever gonna have to do because it's gonna be your natural hairline. We're getting into half wigs, we're saving our edges, and we're putting on a half wig. No glue needed, no wig band needed, no tugging on the edges, none of that. So today's wig is brought to you by none other than 𝐈𝐒𝐄𝐄 Hair. All right, let's get into this hair. All right, so this is giving 3C curls, which is very, very pretty. Here are the specs of the wig. There is a comb attachment right here. Like we said, it is not a lace wig. It's a half wig, so there's not gonna be any lace on there. So you cannot wear this wig right on your hairline because you will look insane. There are also two combs on the side. We have a wig band right here, and there's a comb in the back, and we also have an extra little band down here. So low-key, this could turn into a ponytail as well because this band goes very tight, but we're not doing that today. But we love the extra band that they have down here to make it nice and tight so it doesn't fall off of your head. So let's get into my situation. I did braid my hair down backwards in the back, but I also left out the perimeter of my hair. So let's undo this really quick. So I have my natural hairline out like this. I did blow dry my hair so that I could braid it back down. So obviously right off the bat, the texture is not gonna match. But truthfully, when it comes to half wigs like this, you really gotta trust the process. You gotta let it cook. So I'm just gonna put this on and let these braids be the anchor for this part right here. Snatch it back. All right, so now the half wig is sitting pretty right here. Now, let me tell you something about wigs like this. Say goodbye to the middle part. If you're like a middle part girly, this is not the wig for you. This is strictly giving like side part flip over type, okay? There will be no parting because you have like zero. I mean, I guess you could do a little bit right here and then just bring the hair over, but there's no middle part with this. So if you're not into side parts or like flip overs, get into it because that's what you're getting with this hair. Okay, so here's the length of this hair. It's 18 inches. So 18 inches with curly hair is going to land you, for me, it's like right about armpit length. It's above bra strap. But if you know anything about me, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it, so I'm gonna cut it to like shape my face, but not until I actually define the hair. So I know we're all wondering, okay, Jess, let's see you blend it. I too am wondering how we're gonna do that, but I think with a lot of faith, persistence, and edge control, we can get there together. Okay, so now the hair is pretty dry. It's like maybe 85% dry. So this is what the curls look like. Like, these curls are juicy and they're gorgeous. This is what my hair looks like. We're gonna blend it in a little bit. And honestly, to make it easier, I might even hide some more hair underneath just so I don't have to blend that much hair. I left more hair out just in case I wanted to do a half up, half down style, which I can probably do as well. But first, I wanna shape the hair. This is how it looks. Should I shape this? Yeah, you gotta shape it. Even if you don't like really cut the hair, you gotta at least shape it to frame your face a little bit. It can look a little scrawny in some areas, like, you know, like let's give it some shape, some life, some body. Bro, I can already tell how good this is gonna come out. So I'm just gonna shape my hair really quick with some scissors. And normally what I do is I just try to like make it go round. So I will like be snipping off in this direction because I want the hair to like have a circular shape and not just whatever this is. Okay, after some cutting, this is where we landed. What do we think? I think the shape is nice. I'm shape girl. Like, I'm always gonna cut my wigs. You're never gonna find me walking out of the house with a new wig that ain't snipped even a little bit. Like, I need something. Now we are going to attempt to fix this. So let's undo these. All right, let's see what a half up, half down would give. I think the best thing about half wigs is that it definitely helps you with some type of variety with your hairstyle. Because, I mean, you can also do this with full lace wigs. It's never gonna look as natural as having your natural hairline out. So let's just put this in a half up, half down style. See how that looks. All right, that was cute, but now for the real deal. Let's do the flip over method. I think for the flip over method, I may push some of my actual hair underneath this wig too, because I left more out so that I could do half up, half down. But now that we're getting down to business, I may need to tuck some more away. I think for this style, your edges being laid flat are a huge key, so you're gonna need some edge control or whatever works for you to lay your hair flat. For me, it's edge control. So I'm just gonna relay this. I just think it looks the best when your hair is like really laid flat in the front. So down like that. Now, if you really wanna be lazy, you really could just pull this hair over on that side. And low-key on this side too. And there you have it. Wait, that was way easier than I thought it was gonna be. Like, it's so easy. Can you believe that people spend hundreds of dollars trying to get this? Like, they go to the salon to get a flip over when you can literally get it for the low. Like, I'm done. That's it. That's it. It's that simple. If you can't tell, I'm thrilled. I'm indeed thrilled. It's just too easy. I think the only thing that I would do over time is shape the hair a little bit more. Now that the hair is dry and it's kind of like shrinking on its own, I'm seeing spots where I would definitely want to shape a little more, like over here. This is not a real shape. So let's do a little bit of that. I'm just such a shape girl. Like, I need the shape to look good. But the thing with me is that I'll keep shaping it over time. And then next thing you know, the hair is like at my neck. But whatever it takes to get the shape right, honestly, that's where I'm at. So yeah, this is the tutorial on the half wig. It's such a simple style. And then to sleep, just take it off, and in the morning, put it back on and tuck the underneath under, and there you have it. Literally so simple. Personally, I think this is more simple than a glueless wig, and I don't have to worry all day, like, is my lace showing? Is it sliding back? All the things. So here's like a little side view. I showed you guys the back already. We're still gonna work on that. And also, you have this drawstring at the back that can be tightened to make sure your wig does not fall off, and then you can just pin it up here. Okay, yeah, so that's really all I have for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll leave all the links and stuff in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.